What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to apply advertisements in your Flutter application but in Android this time. Adding advertisement in your application is very easy, but there are some points in this website Firebase Admob which if you follow it you will probably make a mistake, which I did also. That's why I have made this video to help you with those mistakes. So let's get started adding our advertisement in this simple Flutter application, in which by pressing this floating action button I want to show an interstitial app, and by loading the application itself I want to show a banner ad in our app. Let's get started. First, you have to come to this website Firebase Admob package by Flutter and copy this, add it in pubspec YAML under the Cupertino and save it. Then you can close this pubspec. Then after that you have to come here, but before you need to create an Admob account if you don't have. After creating an Admob account in this website by your Gmail account, you can come to this app section, add app. Here you will choose if your app is in Play Store already or not. So since we are just showing tutorial for, we don't have it, no, we can call it ads Android ad. Just create it. So in this video I will show you how to add these two, which is banner and interstitial, but these two are also easy. Just let's go with banner. Create. Now we are done with Admob. Everything is done. Let's go with Firebase Admob and follow up the steps. After adding this library, you can go ahead and copy this code in Android manifest app source main Android manifest. Be careful to add this in Android manifest inside the application, this application, not inside this activity, which I did this mistake for the first time. And this app ID you have to copy from where? This is not the app ID, this is the unit ID. App ID is here. Go to app setting and copy this app ID. At first I was copying this, but this is unit ID, which we will require later. So paste that app ID here and save it. You can close Android manifest. So now next step is, this is belonging to iOS. Next step, we already added this. Okay, just copy these things for banner and interstitial app. Simple. Copy it inside your here. These are the errors because we have not imported the Firebase Admob. These things are deprecated, so just remove them. Deprecated means it's no longer used. It's useless, to be clear. Okay, we are removing them and removing these things. Targeting info should be static. So for now, add unit ID, we want to show test add unit ID. But if you want to show your real advertisement in banner, you just simply copy this add unit ID and paste it here like this. But since we are just doing it for test purpose and adding the real ad, it will take some days maybe to first confirm it, and it will also not work in your real device. It will only work and show uh, not in your device. It will not show in your device because you can't earn money by watching the ads in your own device. If you do so, your admin account will be banned from making advertisements. So let's just consider test ad for now. So our next step is to initialize. Haven't initialized. Yeah, we have to initialize it in init state, but for that we require stateful application class my app state extending from state of my app. Create return create state. What's wrong? I don't know. Okay, let me copy these all of them down here. This is our state. This should be stateful widget, and it should create a state, and it also need to return my app state. So now our app is stateful. Here we have our banner ad, we have our interstitial app. The only thing we need is init state. uh, init state is not working. Why? Yeah, init state. Before this super init state, we have to copy this initialization, and here instead of this app ID, you have to copy our app ID again. This one. Copy this, and also we have to load our banner ad and interstitial ad in init state after super this, like my banner dot load, loading it here, my interstitial dot load, and showing it anywhere you want. That's it. I want to show my banner when the app is loaded. This build method is called, and I want to show my interstitial dot show whenever I press this floating action button. So that's it. That's all about adding advertisement in your Flutter application. There's no further step. As you can see, if you want to add rewarded video, it's also very easy. You just need to do this adding this target, and this is very easy. Now let's run this in a device. I'll run it in my real device because I haven't set the emulator yet. Yeah, I set emulator, but it's so laggy. I will try to. USB. Okay, here's the application having the banner ad at the bottom, and when we press this floating action button, it will show you interstitial advertisement. So that's it. That's the video of today. I hope it solved your problem. If you have any question about this adding advertisement in your Flutter app, please comment down. I will be available always in my YouTube channel. Just comment down and I will reply. And don't forget to like the video so that it will help me.